Okay, cool. Well, shall we? All right.
Yep.
DogeFT. So DogeFT is the first NFT showcase accepting Dogecoin for NFTs. Here is an example of some of the NFTs that we created this summer. Really just to showcase some of my favorites. So let's dig in. So we'll start with the history of DogeFT. Early this year, I was exploring NFTs, wanting to learn what they are, what they were for, and how I could enjoy them. I've been a Dogecoin enthusiast for some time and thought, well, this is the perfect place to look for Dogecoin NFTs. So I started to explore existing platforms. Really didn't find anything. The existing platforms didn't really cater to Doge type pictures. And Ethereum-based NFTs had this challenge of gas, which is basically what's required for transaction processing on that blockchain. So they were cost prohibitive for artists who potentially didn't have enough money to pay to create these pieces of art. So we wanted to build a low-cost, eco-friendly platform that anyone can participate in, where NFTs can cost as low as a Doge, which today is about 15 or 20 cents. So very practical and functional usage. So we created DogeFT NFT Showcase. Again, it's the open sea of Dogecoin. These are Dogecoin NFTs minted using eco-friendly Neblio blockchain with Dogecoin as the currency layer. Dogecoin inherently is just a cryptocurrency. It doesn't have the ability to store any sort of metadata on a transaction. So we needed some sort of carrier or a vehicle for this information and this data, which we chose to use VEFramework. So what's under the hood? As I mentioned, Dogecoin, the primary currency layer. It's fun. Many of us have it. It's low cost, so you don't have to necessarily worry so much about whether the price fluctuates because it can be functionally used as a currency. So that was our choice. Neblio, as you guys have all been educated this morning, it's a functional coin. It's used for building practical use cases on top of things like small NFT marketplaces without gas prohibition, as well as all the way up to industrial use cases, so highly scalable. Virtual economy framework, which we chose for the summer to build our initial platform, are simply unique tokens which can carry that metadata alongside the Dogecoin transactions. Very simple, but also very necessary in order to create our wonderful pieces of art. So we provided all the tokens necessary for our proof of concept, and throughout our process, we basically want it to be an entirely gas-free platform to really focus on the capabilities of Doge, as well as the limited restrictions of this platform. So what is VeNFT App? VeNFT App is the NFT minting platform. It also includes a Dogecoin wallet, as well as a Neblio NFT wallet. I call it a creator's paradise because it has all of the tools that you would need to be able to mint NFTs, to be able to hold your wallet, your NFTs, show them in your wallet, to hodl your Doge, all right there, all within this wallet. Just a brief recap on how this all started. As you can see, I'm an enthusiast about this technology. I started building this concept in my mind, started working with some of the VeNFT App tools on the Neblio Discord, and found Tomas. We immediately connected as, I will say, industrial Renaissance enthusiasts, and we've been building together ever since. So Doge NFTs, what are they? As I mentioned earlier, they're just the traditional NFT model of storing the data around what the image includes or what the piece of music includes. We'll go into some of the other technologies in the next couple slides. But basically, it just shows verified proof of ownership. So it says who you are, what it is, and any of the transactional data. So say I purchased this NFT for 10 Doge or something along those lines. So this is a wonderful piece of art by our partner Arroyo called DogeMart. We've also worked with music NFTs. So we partnered with the musician Astrocat to create a song called DogeCoin NFTs. Basically, they're just a digital download of a piece of music. That way you can store it in your phone or wallet or wherever you've got VeNFT App. And you own that piece of information, that piece of, or that data. It's not that necessarily that you own the rights to the music, but you own that digital unique piece of it. That way it can be stored wherever you are and no one can delete it. It's censorship resistant. So say you're using a large streaming service and your favorite song is being streamed and you love this streaming song, but then all of a sudden the rights have changed and you no longer have access to this song. With NFTs, you have that stored in your wallet and no one can take that song away from you. It's like your permanent playlist. Same concept goes for tickets. If you've purchased a ticket to an event, you don't want it to just mysteriously go away. Blockchain can help solve that by making it permanent, public, and immutable. So here's an example of an NFT ticket where we've stored along, a bit more metadata, but essentially the same pieces of information, all with blockchain verified proof of ownership. This NFT, as we've mentioned, cost virtually nothing because it was minted using our platform. This is a valid ticket. Nice one. So what are we building? We're building a bit of a metaverse. We're utilizing Roblox as an existing metaverse universe simply because it's highly available. We can all get it on basically every device. We can play it on our phones. We can play it with friends, family. It's highly available. Just like VeNFT App, it's something that you can develop on top of too. It's extremely developer friendly. And so we wanted to find something that was going to be suitable for developers while still showing something new and unique. So what we have is basically a showcase showing actual NFTs available with DogeFT. We also have a bit of our metaverse. So just a place to hang out and to have fun and to jump off of boats. You can see here some fun Doge accessories. So still a bit in progress. So let me show you a little bit more about what these look like. So this is a video of the Doge Army Yacht Club and where it is today. So basically we have our proof of concept area, which is open for play. We have our friends who can now join us in this new metaverse. We have NFTs available. Excuse me, I'll slow down for a second. We have NFTs available and mintable using the VeNFT app. Here we are. So you can see these same NFTs that are presented within the metaverse. Pretty cool. We're starting a podcast series where we're going to sit down with each artist that presents on our platform to really showcase the artists. The whole point in this is just to showcase our art and really enjoy ourselves building it together. So we'll sit down with each artist, allow them to talk about what they like, why they are interested in Dogecoin, what interests them about NFTs, how they found us, and how we can build something together in the future. So I'm really excited for that. We built this because we like it. We like playing Floor is Lava. So the Doge Army Yacht Club will be available very, very soon. The testnet is technically available for what it's worth. Last thing, I wanted to just briefly talk about our proof of concept that we ran this summer. So we ran a proof of concept this summer and we donated to charity. And so I just wanted to showcase a little bit about what we can do good together, which is simply donating some of our Doge. We used a service called the Giving Block to donate Doge for every transaction that we generated during the DogeFT proof of concept. We started, sorry that my little list here is in the bottom, but I'll move it. We started with American Cancer Society. Quite honestly, we're just looking for a charity that would accept Doge. This is at a time where we were still exploring, not really sure who would accept Dogecoin because it's still a relatively new concept. The Giving Block allows for an API service for you to connect and donate automatically, basically from a programmer's perspective. So it gave us a lot of tools and a lot of different avenues for donating. So we chose for the next set to donate to Muttville Senior Dog Rescue, where we donated just over 500 Doge. Pretty awesome charity for senior dogs in the San Francisco Bay Area. And then again in September, we chose to continue donating to Muttville. We wanted to break that 1,000 Doge barrier to donate to them, which is not a lot. It's only a few $100s, so we can all do more just by simply donating some Doge. So that's where I'll leave us. 1,800 and some change Doge donated so far, and we hope to give a whole lot more.